That right there is the product pick of the week this week. It is the MAX44009 Lux sensor. This is an easy-to-use Lux sensor that has a really wide range. So it's a 22-bit dynamic range from 0.045 lux, really, really dark, all the way up to 188,000 lux. And I'm displaying the lux value there. Right now it's 146.9 lux. Turn off this light right here. It's going to drop down. Okay, we're at 55.1. Turn that on. We're going to go right back up to the 146.9. So I'm at 8,617. That one's got pretty fresh batteries. Here's a different light here, dimmer batteries, and up to 3,000. Product pick of the week this week, it is the MAX44009 Lux sensor.